you guys enjoyed that quick little video. And I know I haven't been posting in quite a while. I'll try to get back to that. So, peace.